In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on the life coach pay rate in 2025. Whether you're just curious or planning your own coaching practice, stay tuned. The big question: how much can I really earn as a life coach? That question keeps popping up in forums and Facebook groups. And the answer? It varies wildly. From under $20 an hour to over $500 per session. Let's break it down. Average U.S. rates. In the United States, the average life coach charges $49.93 per hour. But don't stop there. At the 10th percentile, coaches charge as little as $19.82. At the 90th percentile, they command $195.57. That's nearly a tenfold difference, from entry-level to top tier. Annual salaries. Hourly rates only tell part of the story. Annual salaries range from about $37,000 for brand new coaches, up to $160,000 plus for seasoned pros. Glassdoor pegs mid-level coach salaries between $69,000 and $76,000. Some certified life coaches even average $79,000 per year. Bonus and commission. Many coaches pad their income with bonuses, commissions, or profit sharing. Those extras can add anywhere from $860 to $52,000 annually. The trick? Selling multi-session packages or landing corporate contracts. Employed versus entrepreneur. There are three main models. Employed by companies or nonprofits. Independent solo practice. Managing a coaching team or agency. Let's dive in. Employed life coaches. Corporate and government roles often pay between $78,000 and $121,000 a year. In-house coaching departments average $76,000, with a range of $46,000 to $95,000. Stable benefits, but capped earnings. Independent entrepreneurs. Going solo means setting your own rates. $75 to $250 per session is common. Executive niches can charge $200 to $500 plus. Sell a 3-month coaching package for $1,500 plus. That locks in recurring revenue. But you wear all the hats: marketing, billing, scheduling. Managing a coaching practice. Lead a team. Take a cut of each coach's revenue. Bill corporate clients at $150 to $300 per hour. Scale through volume. But you need leadership chops and business savvy to pull it off. Income distribution. Only about 8 to 10% of coaches hit six-figure annual incomes. The rest hustle between lower-tier rates. Yet, 73% of coaches expect revenue growth this year. Global pay differences. North America leads with $67,800 average annual pay. Western Europe sits around €45,000 to €55,000, is almost equal to $52K USD. Australia/New Zealand average $58,800, rising above $100,000 for executives. Latin America averages $22,900. Eastern Europe $18,700. Asia and Middle East/Africa range between $29,600 and $33,900. Demographics and niches. 2/3 of coaches are women, about 66.7%. Male coaches earn slightly more on average, gender pay gaps persist. High pay niches. Corporate executives. Wellness. Financial coaching. These segments often pay $100 to $150 per hour or more. Client ROI. Why do clients pay premium rates? Because coaching works. Individuals see up to 7 times ROI, with some reporting 221% returns. Companies driving revenue with strong coaching cultures often invest more. Common challenges. It's not all sunshine and six figures. Challenges include market saturation, building credibility without a resume, finding steady clients, managing admin overload, battling imposter syndrome. Strategy number 1, specialize. Niche down. Be the coach for e-commerce founders, finance professionals, or wellness entrepreneurs. Specialization allows $200 to $500 plus per session. Strategy number 2, get certified. ICF or EMCC credentials boost trust. Certification signals you follow ethical standards and proven frameworks. Strategy number 3, package pricing. Offer 3 or 6-month programs at flat rates, $1, $500 to $5,000 plus. Clients commit long-term. You secure predictable cash flow. Strategy number 4, corporate contracts. Partner with organizations for group coaching or leadership programs. Volume and premium rates make big impacts on revenue. Strategy number 5, build your brand. Create SEO-optimized blog posts, webinars, and case studies. Host a monthly life coaching clinic. Share client success stories. Strategy number 6, leverage tech. Use platforms like Together for scheduling and billing. AI tools for transcription and meeting summaries. Automate reminders. Save time for real coaching. Strategy number 7, keep learning. Attend workshops. Join mastermind groups. Refine your coaching and marketing skills. Stay ahead of industry trends. Is life coaching viable? Pros. High demand in personal and corporate sectors. Flexible work models. Potential for 6-figure incomes. Cons. Competitive market. Requires business skills. Income can fluctuate without multiple revenue streams. With the right strategy, it's absolutely viable and lucrative. Conclusion and next steps. So, what's the bottom line on the life coach pay rate? It spans from under $20 per hour to over $500 per hour. Annual incomes range from $37,000 to $160,000 plus. Success depends on your niche, credentials, marketing, and business acumen. If you're ready to accelerate your coaching career, start applying these strategies today. That's it, everything you need to know about the life coach pay rate in 2025. If this helped, like and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. YouTube description, SEO optimized for life coach pay rate. Join our free hands-on workshop. Learn step-by-step how to create a high-quality expert book with the Authority Book Factory system, designed for coaches, freelancers, and experts looking to gain credibility and land high-ticket premium clients. Click on the link in the description. And get your copy of the Authority Book Factory on Amazon KDP. Discover the complete system in book form and start writing your own authority building book in under 3 days. Click on the link in the description.